Hello everyone, this is Jenny, Senior Sales Manager at Foodchem. I focus on European market. I've attended different exhibitions, fly thousands of miles to visit our partners, embrace the local cultures, and cherish each moment as it comes. I truly enjoy every part of working at Foodchem. Foodchem is specialized in the food industry for over 19 years, supplying more than 800 types of products, and striving to be a one-stop solution provider in China. Our own factory, Foodmate, is located in Jiangxi province and focuses on manufacturing gelatin, instant gelatin, carrageenan, collagen functional animal proteins, collagen peptides, and compound sweeteners. These food additives and ingredients are widely applied in meat products, bakery, confectionery, dairy products, and more. Foodmate has an annual production capacity of about 18,000 tons and holds quality management certifications, including FSC 22000, ISO 9001, and HACCP. Additionally, Foodmate operates two independent R&D centers dedicated to customer requirements, providing professional and comprehensive solutions. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory. Our ingredients, your success.